the process of doing lava roofs. So I'm going to show you it today in this video here. I'm going to prime the perimeters. I've pre-primed the drip trim, and because it is fast primer, we aren't too worried about applying too much. I'm just going to spread all those puddles, you can see, spread it around. And here we are masticking all joint. This is PU mastic. I was doing 1 metre at a time. And one thing you should know about lava is you should always bandage every joint. So here you are, I'm just rolling this bandage, and my arm's out that long, so my dad had to finish the roll a bit for me. I'm just going to roll it along that joint there. And once you've done all your perimeters and you've lathered over that bandage, make sure you give it a good coat. We're going to prime the entire roof area. So we put the matting down so it's just more of a rigid deck. That there is rigid matting. You get two kinds. You get your powdered matting, which is more for around corners, and you get your rigid mat, the emulsion. So here I am. I'm just mixing it in. We use this plaster mixer on a low speed. We've just added some catalyst in there. You can use lava without the catalyst, but it takes a while to go off. The catalyst, with the full tin of catalyst in, you get a pre-sized bottle for each tin you use. This was a big tin. You've got around 20 minutes work time with it, we've found. So as you can see, I'm just going to drag all that, and with lava the pigment sits at the bottom. So I'm going to just drag all that back up. Oh, here you are, spreading the white stuff around the roof. It does go grey with the top coat. So I'm just going to apply 30% on the deck immediately. And a trick you should know is your roller should be treated as a squeegee. It's not meant to roll. If it rolls, spread some more push down rather than roll. So we do 30% on the deck, and then we add 70% on top. We're just going to evenly coat that matting, and then we'll add some more over the top, making sure we're really covering those joints so we get no bubbles. So once it's finished, it looks like glass. It's quite impressive, really. We do like it. So there was the full process of the lava roof.